Lakeya bought a white bucket hat, and so I had to get one too.
This is me. Some of you might know me from the Clock app. Not really, but still, let's just say that. I love beauty, anything from natural to over-the-top dramatic. And although I can beat my face, even on my worst days, I'm flawless. Word to Beyonce.
You wake up.
If I'm not shooting random content in my basement, I'm taking care of my 2 kids. Because when you're a mom, that's what you do. Tired and running on empty. No days off. Sometimes I may get a bit depressed and buy myself some books that eventually just pile up in my closet. But hey, we move. I love to talk, and I'm just recently finding my voice. This is a no-judge zone, a girl's place to be herself, and oh yeah, we do not gatekeep around here. We leave the gate wide open. So what are you waiting for? Alright, I think that's all I have. Do I need more? How about see you in my next video, or like in my official first video? I don't know.
Yes, that works. Cut.